answer. Number 15. Find the pressure at the non-phantom depth of water in PA. A. 1,793.96 PA. B. 1,893.96 PA. C. 1,993.96 PA. And D is 1,693.96 PA. So using the formula for phantom, ang H man ato na pangitaon ay ang P na P. Yung PA din siya. So H is equal to 100 phantom times 6 is equal to 600 feet. So using the formula of P is equal to WH. So substitute din natong value. So P is equal to 9.81 times 60 over 3.2181. So natin final answer na 1,793.96 kPa. So ang answer is letter A. So number 16. Find the depth of a furlong of the ocean having the SG of 1.0 feet if the pressure at the seabed is 2,032.56 kPa. A1, B2, C3, and B4. So using the formula of P is equal to WH. So anong tayo value? So na-substitute na nato. So natin value sa P, which is 2,032.56 kPa equal to 1.03 times 9.81. Constant na siya 9.81 times H. So H na ito mapangita. So substitute din nato. So natin answer na 201.158 meter. Tapos substitute na rin nato na yun times 3.181 feet per meter times 1 yard over 3 feet times 1 furlong over 220 yards is equal to 1 furlong. So ang final answer is 1 furlong. I-convert na natin siya sa mga furlong. Furlong na ipangita. So ang number 17. Find the mass of 10 parts of water. A. 10.46 kg. B. 9.46 kg. C. 11.46 kg. And D. 8.46 kg. So convert sa nato ang quartz into volume. Volume siya. Kaya ang iba sa volume is meter per second. So ang volume siya is 10 quarts times 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts times 3.785 liters over 1 gallon times 1 cubic meter over 1 liter. So natin answer na 0.0094625 times 10 to negative 3. So using the formula of W equal to M over volume. So natin value sa natin weight na 100 kg equal to M over 0.0094625 times 10 to the negative 3. So natin final answer na 9.46 kg for the mass. So answer is letter B. And for number 18, find the mass of carbon dioxide having pressure of 200 PSA at 200 degrees Fahrenheit with 10 cubic feet volume. So A is 1.4 pounds, B 1.14 pounds, C 1.24 pounds, and D 1.34 pounds. So using the formula of dP is equal to RT, so substitution na na to. So, natay sa P-change ka to 20 times na natin sa 114 times 10 is equal to n over times 1,545 over 44 times 60. So, nasa yung final answer na 1.24 pounds. So, ang yung answer is letter C. So, for number 28, convert 750 degrees Fahrenheit to Kelvin. So, ang cases is 390.33 Kelvin, B 395.33 Kelvin, C 410.33 Kelvin, and D 416.33 Kelvin. So, ang conversion na using the formula, mankind is equal to 1.8 Kelvin. So, substitution din ang value na yun sa kanila natin. 750 is equal to 1.8 Kelvin. So, Kelvin na natin kapag itawag transpose. So, Kelvin is equal to 750 over 1.8. So, ang final answer is 416.33 Kelvin. So, ang final answer would be letter D. That's it.